Hi everyone, Captain Mark got a new product for you. It's the S600 True Wireless Earbuds by Vankyo. Think you're gonna like this one. It's a great price for this little earbud. So let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark Reviews. Today I have a new product. It's the S600 True Wireless Earbuds. So let's take a look at the box and see what's inside. Alright, next we have a little black box. Looks like it has parts in there. And we'll open it up here. And I see we have a charging cord, and that's USB to USB-C. That's great. Okay, and here we have some replaceable ear caps for your earbuds. Okay, we'll reach down here, pull the case out, and grab this envelope down here and see what's in here. And it looks like we have a couple cards here. And the first one is your user manual. And it looks pretty complete. And next is your gratification card. They want to know if you're happy with the device or not. And they'll allow you to send in a response. And also, they have a quick setup guide to tell you how to get started with this. Okay, let's take off the wrapper here and take a look. And we can see the top of the charging case is the Vankyo emblem. And you can see there's LED indicator lights on the front of it. And on the side, you can see it's all plastic all the way around. And we have a USB-C connector here. That's nice. I want to give you the dimensions of this, show you how big it is. It is 3.5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide, and it's only 1 inch thick. And you can see in the front, the LEDs indicate the battery level on the earbud, so that's nice. Give you a quick reference there, see where they're at. Okay, let's pull one out of here and see what it looks like. And looking around it, it's nice style, nice shape. Alright, and they have these soft, pliable ear clips that go around your ear. They're not restrictive at all. You can't feel them on your ear when I tried them on anyways. That's one of the features they talk about, is these earbuds won't pop off because they clip around your ear. So we'll see how that works. So like I said, when you open the case up and you move them around, they'll start looking to pair for whatever device you're going to use them with. Some of the outstanding features this has is IPX8, the advanced waterproof materials and designs makes the Vankyo the S600 True Wireless Earbud to resist sweat, water, and rain. The mono shared modes, the left earbud and the right earbud can be used independently so you can share the music with a friend. It has the ergonomic fit with the soft earbuds. The moldable ear hooks provide a comfortable and unshakable fit. And it also has the Type-C quick charge. This technology makes it possible to fully charge your case within 1.5 hours, giving you a total charge time to enjoy music for 45 hours. That's incredible when you put them back in the case and keep charging them off the case. Voice assistant activation. Simply triple touch either earbud to activate your voice assistant. You can free your hands when you're working out or when you need to focus on something else that matters. So that's my review on the S600 by Vankyo. It's the true wireless earbuds. Great price, quality sound, good feature. You can pick this up on Amazon for $39.99, and I'll leave that link down below for quick and easy access. This has many great features. You're going to love this for the price, like with the white noise isolation. It also has the CVC 8.0 microphone for great pickup, the IPX8 waterproofing, so you can use it almost up to submerging it in the water, soft touch control, button control, Siri and Google Assistant activation, sports and exercise and hunting, all different types of activities you can use this for. It has the stable ear hook designed to work on the back of your ear to hold it in place. It's very comfortable. It has a reset button. You can use it for running, gyms, working out, anything you can think of. It has the 5.0. It has bass boost, stereo sound, Siri Assistant activation. You can use it in single mode or twin mode, for you can separate them and use them at one at a time, or let a friend use them so you can listen to music. Great little earbuds. You can't go wrong with these, folks. Great price, quality sound. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review because it did everything it said it was going to do and more. And these are the products that I'm bringing to you. Great little devices. So if you think the information was useful and helping you purchase these earbuds or any other products on my channel, give me that big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos. And I have a lot more coming to you. So I'd like to say thank you to all my loyal subscribers and for watching my videos. And I will see you in the next video.